What most people throw away, I turn into profit. Running a farm business in the province taught me that everything has a purpose if you're willing to get your hands dirty. Today, I'm showing you the sneak peek of my day. Good morning, guys. Uy, Portos Debu. Uy, good morning, Debu. Debu, good morning, guys. So last night I edited my video. I got here a wildflower. So beautiful. Debu, let's go walking. Before we go walking, guys, I'm going to cook the rice in the rice cooker. So when we're back, we just eat. So it will be cooked once we arrive. Let's go, Debu. Let's walk. Hey, Lily! Bye-bye! Lily! Dali! Tara! Di ba? Aroy si baltok pod. There. Let's go, Debu. Dito! Ambak mo. Let's go. Let's walk. Wait, so... Wait! Hi. Wait ba? Sama na pag-abre. Si Lily. Still on the floor. Okay. Hear the sounds, guys. Debu, wait. Psst, wait. Wait. Diretang. Debu, come. I'll show you the view. There's a horse bathing there. And This is our river. There's a goat. Me! Me! Goat. Are you a goat? No. There's 2 goats here. We're here. We're inside. Portos, dali. Dali. Lily. Wait. Let's check for the rice. Oh, it's ready. Go. Just warming up. So stay here. I'm just gonna take a bath and you will eat later. She is preggy. Look at that. These are our layers, guys. We have our seedlings. Just cut the grass and we will use it as mulch. Thank you for the eggs. Yay. Thank you. Harvested some okra and eggplant for my breakfast. For breakfast, guys, I already ate the okra. I have ice americano. So this is our harvest for today, guys, and I'm gonna send it to our food shop. Dili na, dili. Sulod nga di. Dili. Sulod! Dili!